Hello, guys, welcome back. Today is day 64 of my Learning English challenge. So, today we're going to practice our English, and I prepare bunch of IELTS questions. So, we're going to explain those IELTS questions, answer those questions, learn new words, and improve our English speaking. So, if you're learning English, please, if you didn't hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So this is IELTS question. Is the first question today we have is English improvement? No, sorry. Is English important for your future? Is English important for your future? That's the first question we're going to explain. So yeah, for me, yeah, of course, English is very important about my future. So guys, if you learn English first, when you learn English, if you're English learner, you must know you why. If you know why you're learning this language, you better than person who learning just for fun or just want to show people he speak English or have no purpose to speak English. He just want to learn. He just thinking I want to learn this language, but he have no purpose, has no why. You better than that person, and you can improve less than that person. So if you know your why, you may go to the abroad to join those countries speak English or something like you want to teach, you want to do something, or you just learn what's your why. That is like how important is English about your future and why you learn English. So for me, English is important for my future because I want to learn English and speak fluently. And also the second one is English, my hobby, all language I want to speak with. I want to learn many languages as much as I can. And also I want to teach English as well. I would love to be a teacher and teach English as well. So that's why I learn English and I want to be fluent and speak everybody. Like if I see native speakers, if somebody asks me English questions, I can answer every question. So that is how important English to me. And I want to just speak this language. Just love it. I love to learn, love to speak. So if you know your why, you can improve easily than a person who just learning. So because one day when we learn English or you learn English, like one day you feel you can improve a lot, you can learn English, like everything's so cool. But one day you lack motivation and you have no attention to learn any language. And that day, if you have why or something important English, if you have any goal, that goal will keep you up to learn the language. So that's the question, the first question. The second question is what skill would you like to improve most? What skill would you like to improve most? I'm not I really I'm not learning any other language. I mean skills, but skills I improving right now the most is just English. Just want to speak English fluently, and just want to speak English very well without no mistakes. Just speak fluently. So that is the skills I'm focusing the most, and I'm here to learn English. So yeah, I love to learn many skills. Like I would love to learn editing. I would love to learn graphic design. I would like to learn so many skills. But the way now the skills I'm focusing is English. So yeah, English is skills, it's not just a language. English skills you can work, you can do so many things if you speak English, and you become a better person. You become a person who open everyone because English everyone can speak English. So when you understand everybody, you would know many cultures, many people, and you become open-minded person. Really, when didn't speak English, I always like just being just like like I was just being not open-minded so much because I didn't speak English. Just speaking my parents, my brothers, and people who surrounding me. So if you speak English fluently, you have lucky, bro. Yeah, will. I learn many languages. Learn Chinese, learn Hindi, learn Spanish, learn whatever language you want. Just improve your language. So let's get started. Let's start jump into another question. The second question is, oh my gosh, I wanted to speak slowly. I forget, guys. Like a lot of people say, you're speaking so fast, and also I add the video translator to understand what I'm saying. So I don't know why this fast language come from, but I'm not a fluently and I speak still, kind of fast. I don't know, but I would add subtitle this video, and if you understand it, please give me at the comment if you understand what I'm saying, or if you think I'm very speaking very fast. let me know. I would improve more. So I love to read your thoughts, guys, and know. So yeah, let's jump to last question. The last question is: do you feel nervous before speaking in public? Do you feel nervous before speaking in public? N- no, I don't. I never speak in public. I haven't tried yet, but of course I would feel nervous. Nervous is normal thing. Even when I make this video or my other video, I always feel nervous and kind of stuff. But it's kind of normal thing. When you learn a language, when you want to start to speak and all the stuff, you feel nervous. It's just kind of normal thing. So don't pay attention to that. If you feel nervous, everybody is same, not just you. So yeah, I feel nervous. Yeah, of course. I cannot speak a lot of people like real, being for real. But like right now, I'm just by myself. Nobody laugh at me. Nobody look at me. So it's kind of still cool. But if when you starting in front of a lot of people, you may feel a lot of nervous, and that's just a common thing. You would improve more. So guys, today our video is all that. So if you like the video and you're watching today, you absolutely legend. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And my name is Mukhtar. I'm from Somalia. I learn English by myself. And if you learn English, let me know at the comment your thoughts and how you improve your English. Have a good one. Thank you.